Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you a professional workflow for creating high quality social media content. We'll be looked at a real world case study, the Isra Mi'raj comparative design for IMMFTI UAD. As the chairman of media and communication department, I found that combining different tools give us the best result. Well, use a hybrid approach, starting with Canva for advanced image treatment and finishing in Figma for precise layout and professional typography. Let's get into details. First, we focus on the visual core of our design. Canva is all power tools are perfect for quick image manipulation. One is background removal. Start by uploading high quality photos of the Ka'bah and Al-Quds Mosque. This is an image. Click in this button. In bahasa Indonesia, we call penghapus LP. Nah, use the background removal tool to isolate layer the architecture perfectly. 2. Deep and layering. Place the Ka'bah and foreground the Al-Quds Mosque slightly behind in to create a sense of scale and perspective. Adding atmosphere element to elevate the spiritual feel. Glow element, place them behind the mosque dome to simulate a dividing light source. We can click this button, yakni element. In this element, we can search this last use. This is a flare or cloud. Adding shadow and fog. Insert element at base of which building to ground them. I also added some subtle smoke. This is smoke for element at bottom to blend building into desert sand smoothly. We can search in this element desert. This is we can use to the design. We can in this button click. You can rotate horizontal. You can create this object scale. Lighting adjustment, go to the adjust panel, lightness, saturation, brightness, exposure. nocturnal atmosphere, for the nocturnal atmosphere. This is click edit, klik sesuaikan. In this button, scroll, search saturation. This saturation, you can write in this column -20. In this layer, same, -20. Once the composition is perfect, select all elements and group them. Download this specific group as a transparent PNG. Before we go to the Figma, actually I have a more polished and detailed version of this layout that I created earlier. So I will bring that into Figma now to show you how we finalize the composition. In this Figma, now we switch to Figma. This is where we bring everything together with precision using the interface superior layout tools. 1. Frame setup. In this setup, we have created a 118 weight frame. I actually in this dimension, you can follow it. This is size standard for Instagram or TikTok stories. Number 2, background and pattern. Set the background color to a soft light gradient to add a professional touch. I imported a typographic color pattern and set it into a very low opacity, and this adds texture without distracting from the element component. This is we can move it first. This is a pattern of the design. This is a header. We must text on every design. Name it EMMFTIUAD, and this is my department, bidang medcom. This is a pattern, and this is a design before we create in Canva. You can look in left navigation. This is a everything element we can have in the design. This is a pattern in the design layer, and we have everything layer in this design. So After importing Canva set, drag and drop transparent, we have creating in Canva, position it is in the lower half to frame leave space for the text. For the main Isra Mi'raj title, use a bold rounded font with a purple to glow. Gradient and a big white stroke to make it stand out. I add a red. Selamat memperingati banner at the top for emphasis. The secondary text Nabi Muhammad SAW and the date 27 Rajab 1447 Hijriah is set in clean sans serif font. This is a font. We name it Plus Jakarta Sans with the method extra bold italic and size in 36. Alignment like center. We can positioning in this object for alignment center. Plus, branding and identity. Place the IMM-FTIUAD logo in the top left corner. In the top right, I add the Bidang Medcom tag to clearly state our department identity. Use Figma alignment tools to neatly place the social media icon. This is the social media icon. We have IMM-FTIUAD for we have a website, and IMM-FTIUAD in Instagram and TikTok, IMM Komisariat FTI in YouTube. Finally, export with the design complete, select the frame and use export panel. This is an export panel. We can click first in the frame for our design. This is export. You can choose one, PNG mode, and export. With the design complete, select the frame, the export panel to save it as a high quality PNG at the 2x scale for maximum clearly. By using Canva for heavy lifting with image and Figma for the final layout, we have created a design that is both visually stunning and professionally branded for IMM-FTIUAD. This workflow is excellent and ensures that very details from the glow and the dome to have spacing the text is perfect. I hope this helped you in your next project. Thank you for watching, and as we say in IMM Fastabikul Khairat, see you in the next tutorial.